So let's imagine that the first Monday they want to change this from a day B to a day A, from a Wednesday Friday class to a Tuesday Thursday class. It's easy enough to change, but if I change it here, it may, and change this to A, Chalk will helpfully switch this one to B, and so on. But because they don't appreciate that Mondays are weird, and if a Monday switches, Tuesday will always be a day A. So what I'll do to switch it is I select the day, and that allows me to see this button here, and I can switch this to day A. I'm not going to do it because it'll cause a cascade, and I'll have to go out back and fix it. It shouldn't be bad at all to fix. Oh, so I'll go ahead and do it. Okay, if I switch this to a day A, da-da. There we go. And the week, wouldn't you know it, it caused that switch. So I'll go back to here and I'll change this to a day A because Tuesday, no matter what, is always a day A. And so I have it back down and it's working. But the 26th is actually a day B. So let me go back and fix it. I select this and I hit day B. Now, if I were to have an inclement weather day, let's say a water main bursts and we have a day off, it's happened. So I can just hit that and press off day and give label the reason why. That will not change the rotation. It will, however, push my lesson plan to the next available slot, but it doesn't change the day A-B rotation.